Good morning. What you see behind me is the final result of a garage converted into an ADU. We can now convert garages entirely into living space. It's become very popular, so let's take a look. So we got all this hardy siding on. There was that ugly garage door here before, and there was just that T111's old wood siding. But we actually were able to keep the T111 in place and fill this in. And then we did a house wrap, and we didn't just use any house wrap, we used a peel and a stick to make sure that everything was really solid underneath all of this, and we put on this really nice hardy. This is a pre-primed, pre-painted hardy. We added that window up there. We added a new panel over here. Solar ready main panel. So now the tenants that live here will have their own electric. So let's walk in. So on this side, we added this door here. This door was purchased by the owner. We installed it. We created an outdoor shower over here. Coming home from surfing, you need to wash off that sand. Now you have this nice little feature here. This is all done over T111. We added a window up above, a transom window. We demoed that old shed that was dilapidated, and we added this new shed over here. So in my previous videos, I talked about some code violations. I talked about a lot of things that were done wrong here. The header above there wasn't even touching. There was an old 50 amp or 70 amp panel in place that wasn't rated, and the wires going to it were just number 10 wires, servicing a 50 amp breaker to a jacuzzi. Now we have bedroom one, new window, LED lighting, mini split head for air conditioning, and then we have our living space, mini split head for air conditioning. Let's turn on the light here so we can see better. So we added this brand new kitchen here. We have our pendants coming down. There was an old kitchen here which we took out and put in this new kitchen. The old kitchen used to be sitting off the wall, as this was an old garage. There's a curb down there. So we shimmed out all the walls, brought the wall out, and now this kitchen sits flat. Much nicer. Added the microwave, added the stove, added the nook for the fridge, added that window there, right where the sink is. These are just regular louver doors you could purchase at Home Depot. And then the barn door track is something we got on Amazon. And now you have your double stack washer dryer in there. We also have our vent fan up there to make sure everything's ventilated here in this laundry space. Now we have our tankless water heater right here. Now this is an electric tankless water heater on demand. That means it only uses what is necessary. Even though there are 3 40 amp circuits going to this water heater, it'll only draw from one of the circuits when you're just using a shower. But say you're using the shower, the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink all at the same time, then it'll start pulling power from the other circuits and it'll heat up accordingly. The new bathroom, as you recall in the very first video, this bathroom was completely moldy. There was a little nook in here. So the owner decided, along with us, to go with this little corner unit. That way we could still have our door here. And this corner unit worked out. And then these doors just kind of open up to the side. Here is bedroom 2. Also mini split head, keep things nice and cool, hot summer days. Little closet, little nook above the closet. And that's it. What was once an old garage that was used as an out-of-code living space is now a beautiful, functioning space for tenants to move into, completely to code, 100% permitted, and good to go.